The next item on that list is a hammer. Really,
Yeah.
you wrote framing hammer. That would separate a small indoor picture hanging hammer, like I don't know, what's that, an 8-ounce or something like that?
Sure.
But you're looking for, you said a framing hammer that would be more like probably a 19-ounce hammer. It's got a long handle. Sometimes it's got a curved handle. They call that a California framer. And it's generally, a framing hammer has a waffle type face on the head that is super grippy, and that will tear up your finger if you hit it hard. So don't do that. Otherwise, you're getting a hammer that's a little smaller, maybe a 16-ounce hammer that has got a smooth face, and you're using that inside on sheetrock and finish type stuff, finish wood. But if you're building something outside, a shed or a pergola or a doghouse or something like that, then you're driving long nails. A framing hammer is what you want because it grips that head of that nail really good and drives it right down there. So there's no messing around when you got a framing hammer. You're getting work done.
I do want to say, I forgot to put this on my list, but if you have a weekend warrior who builds a lot of things like that, a playhouse, a doghouse, or whatever, a shed, get them a fantastic set of tool bags.
Yeah, I agreed. Yeah,
I mean, nice pair of tool bags. Occidental leather makes unbelievably nice tool bags. A little spendy. You're going to spend over a couple $100.
Yep, that's right.
But they are heirlooms. You would have them forever. You would hand them down to your children.
Yeah.